This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a convenience package, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, full power accessories, side curtain airbags, a chrome grille, tinted glass, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, and air conditioning. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Thank you for considering Ancero Winton Chevrolet for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 6111 Bandera Road in San Antonio. We look forward to serving you.